If you're in heavy-duty repair, you know what it takes to bust loose, rusted, over-torqued fasteners. Today, we're introducing two powerhouses from AirCat that are built to do just that, and do it with precision, durability, and control. The AirCat 1992A and 1992A1 1-inch straight impact wrenches are heavy-duty impacts engineered for the kind of jobs where lesser tools just can't cut it. The 1992A features a 6-inch extended anvil for deep wheel access, with the 1992A1 sticks with a standard 1-inch anvil. Both deliver an incredible 1,800 foot-pounds of maximum torque and up to 2,000 foot-pounds of loosening torque. That's the kind of muscle heavy-duty techs demand. At the core is AirCat's low-maintenance pinless hammer mechanism. Fewer moving parts mean greater reliability and harder-hitting power where it counts. And with triple heat-treated nickel-chromium-molybdenum alloy steel in the hammer and anvil, you're looking at unmatched strength and durability. Comfort and control? Check. The enlarged inner cavity in the D-handle grip allows more space for large hands or gloves to comfortably give you a better control and reduced fatigue during long hours on the job. The cranked back side assist handle is ergonomically positioned to give you better access to deep rim wheels and tight spaces. Control is also built into the directional control valve. The combined forward, reverse, and power management switch lets you dial in the power that you need when you need it. Socket retention is secure and hassle-free thanks to the combined through-hole and friction ring design. Whether you're swapping sockets or cranking down fasteners, your socket stays locked in. And because real-world jobs are tough, AirCat added a rubberized protective motor housing cover. It shields the tool from everyday damage, keeping it working as hard as you do. Whether you're in fleet maintenance, heavy equipment, or industrial repair, the 1992 series from AirCat is the go-to for serious impact, durability, and power. And as with all AirCat products, these impact wrenches carry an industry-leading 2-year warranty. Check out aircat.com for more information on these and their full line of AirCat pneumatic tools. Thanks for watching.